Beautiful weather today in Manchester. So everyone is enjoying. Volleyball.
Jesus is in the business. All people making people brand new. As it's in my life, as you know, everyone. But it comes at a price that you said that like a beat. For those who really don't know me, I'm with your buzz. Be you said that like a beat.
Everything is happening here.
Very good day. I love to laugh.
Oh, look at that.
Last child of 4 by low kick goal. Second son, rather than the
This is a rapper
here. I fell lovely twice in my life. Okay, twice. Okay, wait, I stopped counting. Because the last time I fell, I think I fell too hard and I sprained my ankle. So I'm a very good singer. Okay, that's a lie. My friends say whenever I sing, I sound like an elephant trying to whistle.
This is called Piccadilly Gardens.
Whenever I see Christ, it's a new creature. Old things have passed away, and all things have become new. Yeah. So, yeah. R.I.P. to the old me.
Oh, some African lads. Right, guys. Happening here. Fun everywhere.
Yo, pick it up. Hit up.
So let's go to Primark for some shopping.
Guys, just show us 3 rules. Rule number 1. Guys, if you like what you see, clap, smiling, cheer. It's very easy, everybody. Let's try that out. Here we go. Rule number 2. Guys, if you don't like what you see, you still clap, smiling, cheer. Here we go, guys. Nice. So rule number 3. It's a live show. Guys, we need a live audience. No energy. No energy. So on the count of 3, Manchester Market Street, I need you to make as much noise as possible if you want to see the show, right? Here we go. 1. Zombie. Alright, baby, say it off. Big one, baby, big one. Alright, routine, routine. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. congratulations. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Alright, next up we got Eric. Just a Bucky and Spider-Man. Hey, leave the sugar mama alone. Let's go. Everybody else clap. Everybody else clap. Alright, okay, and I said balance, 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 balance. I said balance, 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 balance. Said, hey! Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Alright, next up we got my friend Benny, all the way from Congo. Let's go! Oh, be careful, Benny. Alright, let's go. Big one, Benny, big one. That's the Major Mind Show. That's after 12. Sorry, got a little bit confused. Alright, let's go, Benny. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, let's get it. 1, 2, 1 more. Stanton to make the noise. Alright, this is my friend K the Flex, the man with no bones. I need you to pay attention. Pay attention. Oh my God, what is going on? Here we go. I told you he had no bones. You heard the man. Watch his shoulder, alright? Watch his shoulder. Here we go.
I'm finding home.
1, 2, 3. Manchester, pay attention.
I can't go back. I'm just a I'm begging you.
Here we go. Alright, here we go. Guys, clap your hands. Clap, clap. Here we go, Manchester. Hey, showtime, baby. Here we go. Guys, on this side, can we get everyone to just come a few steps closer right up to the coast? We don't want to block the walkway. Everyone watching the show, just come a few steps closer, alright? Guys here, just come a few steps closer, right up to the coast. We love you guys. We going over, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Alright, hold on.
Hey kids, so fabulous. I'ma be real on us.
1 second.
Nobody got nothing on us.
Here we go.
From London back down to the US.
DJ, I love the music.
Monkey.
Alright, kid, listen up. Don't be scared, okay? Easy. Everybody, big applause for this feature. Here we go, next one, here we go. Alright, kid, look. You're gonna be superstar, yeah? But you do one job. You don't move, okay? Because look, let's begin, yeah? Who made this? Here. Mama, don't worry, okay? You know what? We are professionals. That's why we're on the street, yeah. But you know what, Mama? Do me a favor, yeah? Take a video. Yeah? Might be the last one. No, I'm just kidding. People will flex.
Let's go. You got this. Yeah.
We come in another level, yeah? We're gonna jump over 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 beautiful people. Everybody, big applause for my volunteers. Here we go. But now, let's begin again. Ladies and gentlemen, before this grand finale, before this crazy flip, I would like to take 1 minute and present my team, alright? So first of all, this is Max, and this is Benny, all the way from London. Yeah. Here we go. This is my Kana Flex, all the way from New York City. And people, my name is Eric. I'm all the way from Slovakia.
We're gonna do 5.
5 for where?
My sugar mama.
Sugar mama. Woo! Where's Sugar
your mama from?
Yo, Germany!
Make some noise for Germany! Hold up, Germany, DJ, hold up, Germany. Where's Germany? Where's the German? Sugar mama, look, in Manchester we don't say Germany, we say Germany. I could be on that. Could be on that. You're so fine. Stop the show! That is show!
Next 30 seconds. Fantastic. You jump over here. Don't worry, Harry Potter. You're gonna get home safe. It's alright, Daniel. Don't worry.
Don't worry, we love it, man. Alright, guys, we have one rule. Yeah? Keep your heads down. If it comes up, it comes off. Manchester, repeat after me. If it comes up, it comes. If it comes up, it comes. We love you guys, DJ. Here we go. You ready? Everybody clap your hands. Here we go. Energy. Here we go. Everybody clap your hands. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Manchester, one more time, make some noise. Guys, thank you so much for watching our show. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, one more time, don't be shy to follow us on the old Instagram. We absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक. Good.
कैसे हो?
ठीक ठाक. अल्लाह का शुक्र. ठीक. Alex! Yeah. No.
You always come at such bad times.
Assalamu alaikum. Alex, how are you?
Okay, mate.
All good? You busy? See you later. Sunday market? No, it's weekend market. They're closing down now because it's 5 o'clock already. So in England you can find people from all over the world. This is so multicultural country. So you find people from all over the world in England. So different culture, different foods. So we got like mix and match stuff from all over the world. Assalamu alaikum, Abu Bakr. Are you on the phone?
Yeah.